Hey there guys, Steve Blanchard here at Daddy Jack's in London, Connecticut. We're going to run you through a quick pizza recipe, but today we're going to actually do a calzone in our wood fire oven. So here's our dough stretched out. You notice I haven't poked any crust in it, trying to keep everything nice and even around the same size. Now our wood fire oven runs pretty hot, usually around 700 degrees, so we don't want to overstuff this calzone. We want everything to be able to heat up and cook evenly. Obviously, majority of our toppings are pre-cooked or partially cooked ahead of time. So we got our sauce, Parmesan cheese. Justin, you better, or Ben, you guys get a spoon for this teaspoon? I got one. Thank you. We got ricotta here. Just gonna give little dollops around the base. We do a little sprinkle of our 50-50 provolone and mozzarella shredded blend. We're gonna make this calzone a carne on one of our specialty pizzas here, which is bacon, sausage, and capicola. We're just gonna hit it with a little bit more of our shredded cheese. Now we're gonna fold everything over here, sort of like a quesadilla. We're gonna use the tips of our fingers to seal the edge like a pie crust, or a dumpling, or I'll make sure it's nice and sealed. Cut our excess dough off around the edge. Alright, now here we have a garlic and herb oil that I use for the base on my white pizzas. We use it for our focaccia breads. I drizzle the top out of this. Get a nice golden brown. Keep it from burning up as quick in the high temperature of our oven. I'm going to take a knife and just make a couple slits to allow some air to escape as it's cooking and it doesn't turn into one giant bubble. Glenn, you know what I did do? I built it backwards. So we're going to try and spin this around on the paddle. And this is going to be going right in the side of our oven. So I'm going to try and face, starting off, the outside of our crust towards the fire. Very gently here, I'm going to sneak it into the front corner. Should take probably about 5-6 minutes in there. Alright guys, our calzone's been cooking in here. We've been rotating it consistently. Been in the oven for about 7 minutes now. Looking nice and crispy and cooked. We got our friend Bob LaBelle here. He's going to be my guinea pig today.
How you doing? Oh yeah, I'm going to burn the roof of my mouth right off, I'm sure.
I'm sure Jack wants a slice.
Well, this is already.
Alright, you're up first, Bob.
Alright.
This is going to be ripping hot.
Alright. While that cools, I'll run one over to Jack here. Woo-wee.
Oh.
Here we go.
Justin, down, go in. Okay. The carne calzone. Let's see how we are. Sorry, Glenn, but you're not getting any of this.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright, we have our carne calzone here at Daddy Jack's, 181 Bank Street, New London, Connecticut. Thanks for watching the videos. Thank you, Glenn, Bob,
Thank you.
and of course, Jack.
Hey,
Cheers.
Steve, what do you mean Glenn doesn't get one? That might end up on the cutting room floor right there.
Excellent.
Delicious.
Excellent. Excellent.
There you go, Glenn.
Nice.